Hey there, Notion enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to add real-time weather updates directly into your Notion workspace for 2025. If you're tired of switching tabs to check the forecast while planning your day, this one's for you. Let's dive right in. First off, why add weather to Notion? It's all about streamlining your productivity. Imagine having current weather conditions embedded in your daily planner or project dashboard. It saves time and keeps everything in one place. With Notion's evolving features in 2025, integrations are smoother than ever. To get started, make sure you have a Notion account and are logged in. Head over to the page where you want to add the weather. We'll use a simple embed method, but if you're tech-savvy, you can explore APIs for more customization. Step 1. Find a reliable weather widget. Sites like weather.com or OpenWeatherMap offer embeddable codes. Go to their website, search for your location, and look for the embed option, usually a snippet of HTML code. Step 2. In Notion, click the plus icon to add a new block. Select Embed from the menu. Paste the HTML code you copied into the embed field. Notion will render it as a live widget on your page. Pro tip: if it doesn't work right away, double-check the code or adjust your page settings for external embeds. For a more advanced setup in 2025, Notion's updated API allows direct integrations. You might need tools like Zapier or IFTTT to connect a weather API to your Notion database. This way, weather data updates automatically without manual refreshes. Once it's set up, customize the widget to match your Notion theme. Add it to your dashboard for quick glances, or link it to your task lists for weather-dependent plans. Remember, always respect API usage limits to avoid any disruptions. There you have it. Weather in Notion made easy. This feature will level up your organization game in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.